On this episode of AC Designs Garage, I'm going to show you how to strip your old nasty paint off your classic VW wheels with no sandblasting, no chemicals, and all that other stuff, and you can do it at home with minimal tools. Coming up. Alright, before I get suited up real quick, I want to show y'all how thick this paint is on these things. And like I said, I'm going to be using this little Durapeak strip wheel here real quick. And I just want to show you how much is on these things. And it's fairly thick. This one here is not near as bad as the rear ones. Man, those rear ones, they were a heavy 1/16 inch thick on most of them. So all right, let's make some dust fly. All right, guys, you can see how pitted it is. This wheel here is probably not the worst one out of the bunch. It looks pretty good, but you can see how That thing cleans it up. I've been on it for probably about 10 minutes, so it's going pretty quick, so we'll keep making more dust. All right, Daddy got this cleaned up pretty good with that stripping wheel, and you can see about where you can get to on the stripping wheel. Right in here, you about got to get the little wire wheel, and those things are dangerous, so I'm gonna suit up. This is what we're gonna use to get down in the cracks and nooks and crannies all down in here, and we'll be finished with these bad boys. Good. Check that out. Getting pretty close. Get the rest of this up in here. The DA probably. Make sure the sand these beads real good so the wheel will seat good, or tire wheel. So the tire will seat good. Won't have no leaks. Well, here they are. A good 4 hours of work, about an hour per wheel. Me and Daddy spent on. Next off, we're going to do a little body work. I may do a video on that. Do the body work and epoxy prime high build, scuff it, and base clear all brand new red shiny paint. So make sure y'all stay tuned to see this little car cruising down the road. I hope to have it in the next month or so, at least driving, before it gets too cold and everybody puts all their cars up. So yeah, I think they're going to look really good, especially with them white walls on that bright red paint. Well, been a long day. Daddy done bolted to the house. I'm fixing to do the same. Hope y'all enjoyed it. God bless. We gone. Oh yeah, about forgot.